Alright, round two here in the rain. It's coming a little farther right now, but I'm safely under an umbrella. So if you want to work at the haunted house in Minnesota State Fair, as you can tell. I was bound determined to come here. Too bad, but as long as there's no hail, then I don't think it's a big deal. That's a cool car. I like that one right there too as well. It's raining, man. Old man is snoring. That's a gangster car right there, man. That's a nice one, huh? Heck yeah. It's a big boat. Heck yeah. Look at that bad boy. Whee! Love it. Getting a lot of rain. There you go. There's the old, back to the 50s right there. 50th annual, man. In the rain, man. That's what an umbrella's for. Look at that bad boy, huh? Hell yeah. Nice. Oh, look at the blonde in there. Nice. Yeah, you can tell people are just kind of hanging out. From Iowa, that's nice. Back to 50, huh? Nice. As you can see, I'm under the umbrella. Getting a lot of rain in 2024. Nice one right there. Nice. Nice wagon. How you got like that, huh? Just cruising back and forth. I love those wagons. $50th annual is 10,000 vehicles here, biggest one. Look at him playing in the water. Like, yeah, he's loving it, man. Look at that bad boy. 28,000. 1932 Plymouth. Big dog there, New Yorker. A lot of Fords. That's nice. That's a nice wagon. Ooh, the old Mustang, the Bug. That's a 56 Chevy. There he goes. Nice convertible Impala right there. Love it. You can tell it's kind of get wet. He's taking that one out of here. Probably put these up on TikTok as well, so see what happens. Yep, 22nd day of June 2024. Look at that bad boy. This one's kind of cool. I like this one. Cool little vehicle, pink. Love it. Seen it before. I think they go in water. I think they can. Got an Oldsmobile over there, a little dent up there. Got a wagon. That's bad boy. A nice wagon. Well, they're pretty sought after now, these wagons are. When it was sold $4,100. Wow. Nice. You can tell everyone's just kind of hanging out. You can tell you all kinds of vehicles. It's well worth. I'll let that Hamilton over there. Here comes a pretty cool one right here. There's one hauling that hauler right here. Last couple years I've been here have been real hot. For sale. $2,500 for that green bad boy. A lot of these. Nice Buick. Very nice. Some of these are for sale. That's a nice Chev. 59. Nice Chev. Another Impala over here. My first car I ever had was a 65 Chevy Impala. Like I said, as long as there's no hail, we're all good. Well, anyways, guys. Lovely and talented. Back in the next one. Hope you enjoyed it. Well, yeah, I love red.